Welcome to the ultimate robot vacuum showdown between two popular brands. In the red corner, we have Bobsweep Pethair, designed for deep cleaning with smooth navigation and multi-floor compatibility. And in the blue corner, we have the iRobot Roomba 690, a smart, Wi-Fi connected robotic vacuum with intelligent navigation and a virtual wall barrier. So, in this video, we will analyze the performance of both robot vacuums across key factors, such as cleaning efficiency, ease of use, and maintenance, to find out which one is the best value for your money. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Round number 1, cleaning efficiency. Bobsweep Pethair Vacuum does a decent job clearing dog hair from the carpet and kitchen floor, but struggles with long-haired pets like Siberian Huskies. The vacuum performs poorly on hard floors, scattering fine debris while clearing larger debris like cereal. It struggles on high-pile carpets too, requiring extra passes for thorough cleaning. On low-pile carpets, its weak suction and side brush scatter debris rather than collecting it. Pet hair pickup is ineffective, often leaving strands behind or dragging them around. The Roomba performs well on bare floors, but struggles with heavier debris as the dustbin fills. It picks up large debris on low-pile carpets, but struggles with fine dirt. On high-pile carpets, it navigates well but doesn't clean deeply. Pet hair removal is decent on carpets, but less effective on bare floors. So here are the results. Bobsweep Pethair Vacuum is a solid choice for pet owners, especially for short-haired pets, though it requires frequent maintenance for long-haired breeds. But if you have mostly hard floors or low-pile carpets, Roomba 690 is a better fit, as it navigates well and handles larger debris better. However, neither performs exceptionally well on high-pile carpets. Round number 2, ease of use. Bobsweep Pethair Vacuum has a noise level of 62 points, 6 decibels on bare floors, making it almost as quiet as Roomba. One of Bob's drawbacks is its loud charging station signal. It has a battery life of 88 to 112 minutes and a dustbin capacity of 0.2 liters. While it does not have advanced app functionality like Roomba, it comes with a remote control for scheduling and manual operation. Also, while Bob occasionally gets stuck on floor registers and under furniture, a simple nudge gets it going. Its mopping function is impressive, efficiently damp wiping floors without dragging dirt. Roomba has a longer battery life of 121 minutes and a larger dustbin capacity of 0.07 gallons. It features Wi-Fi connectivity, app control, and voice assistant compatibility, making it more convenient for smart home users. In an hour, Roomba covers only about 400 square feet due to its inefficient navigation and frequent bumping into objects. The vacuum may also get stuck on thick rugs or mistake them for cliffs, requiring manual intervention. Additionally, cords and sticky bug traps should be removed to prevent tangling. So here are the results. If you prefer a quieter vacuum with manual control and a mopping feature, Bobsweep is the way to go. But if you want smart features like app control, voice assistant compatibility, and better automation, Roomba 690 is the better option. Round number 3, ease of maintenance. Bobsweep's brush roll can accumulate pet hair, requiring occasional detangling. Storage is relatively easy due to its compact design. It is much gentler on furniture, unlike Roomba, which can cause scratches despite modifications. Although Bob is not self-emptying, cleaning it is easier than Roomba too. Roomba 690 has dual multi-surface brushes that prevent excessive tangling. However, its dustbin needs frequent emptying, especially in homes with pets. Yes, Roomba is also not self-emptying, and emptying Roomba's dust compartment can be messy. Cleaning the rollers requires scissors and a pry tool to remove tangled hair and threads. The edge cleaner brush and wheel might need replacement after some use, but parts are easily available for quick repairs. So here are the results. For easier maintenance and gentler cleaning around furniture, Bobsweep is a good choice. Its dustbin is simple to clean, and it doesn't scratch furniture as much as Roomba. However, if you want a vacuum with better access to replacement parts and dual multi-surface brushes that reduce tangling, the Roomba 690 is a more practical option. Finally, let's discuss warranty details. The Bobsweep Pethair Vacuum comes with a 1-year warranty on parts and a 6-month battery warranty. Customer experiences with Bobsweep support are satisfactory. Roomba's warranty period is also 1 year, including battery. There are quite a few complaints against customer support, so do take note. Overall, if you want strong suction, better short pet hair pickup, and manual control, go for Bobsweep Pethair Vacuum. If you prioritize smart features, automation, and a longer battery life, Roomba 690 is the better pick. And for an ultimate comparison between two top Roborock vacuums, check out this video next.